Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new DJI Flip and the DJI Neo. The DJI Flip is designed to bring advanced camera capabilities and improved flight performance to the table, while the DJI Neo focuses on being lightweight, beginner-friendly, and packed with fun features like FPV mode. Whether you're a content creator aiming for cinematic shots or a hobbyist looking to explore the skies, these two drones cater to very different needs. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two drones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and portability of these two drones. The DJI Neo is impressively compact and lightweight at just 135 grams, making it an excellent choice for portability. Its small frame doesn't require foldable propellers, so you're ready to fly right out of the box. On the other hand, the DJI Flip weighs in at 249 grams, staying just below the unregistered drone weight limit. Despite being heavier, it features a foldable design that brings its storage size closer to the Neo's dimensions. While the Neo's lightness makes it a breeze for beginners to handle, it struggles in windy conditions compared to the more robust Flip. The Flip's improved build and slightly larger size give it an edge in stability and durability, especially when flying outdoors in variable weather. So, if portability and ease of use are your top priorities, the Neo is the way to go. But for those seeking a drone with better versatility in real-world conditions, the Flip emerges as the winner here. Moving on to flight performance, the DJI Flip's advanced capabilities clearly outshine the Neo's simpler setup. The Flip boasts superior wind resistance, withstanding gusts of up to 10.7 meters per second, while the Neo maxes out at 8 meters per second, making the Flip more reliable in challenging environments. Flight time is another major difference. The Flip offers up to 28 minutes of hover time, while the Neo is rated for only 18 minutes. This gives the Flip a significant advantage for longer shoots or extended adventures. But the Neo has a trick up its sleeve with FPV mode. Paired with the goggles N3 and RC Motion 3 controller, it transforms into an acrobatic drone, perfect for tricks and immersive flying experiences. While the Flip's strengths lie in measured and steady flying, the Neo delivers a playful, high-energy alternative for hobbyists who value fun over professional-grade performance. Both drones support intelligent flight modes like Active Track and Rocket, but the Flip's higher speeds and improved stability make it the better choice for precise and professional use cases. Still, for those chasing the thrill of FPV flying, the Neo offers an experience the Flip simply cannot match. In terms of camera quality, the DJI Flip is a clear winner. Its 48-megapixel sensor and 3-axis gimbal provide sharp, stable footage that's perfect for content creators. The gimbal-based stabilization means your footage remains distortion-free, unlike the Neo's reliance on electronic stabilization, which crops into the image and reduces quality. The Flip records 4K video at up to 60 FPS with HDR and even offers a 100 FPS slow-motion mode for cinematic shots. On the other hand, the Neo's 12-megapixel sensor is adequate for casual users, but limited to 4K at 30 FPS, with 60 FPS only available at Full HD. Also, the Flip's support for microSD cards ensures you have plenty of storage for high-quality footage, while the Neo's 22GB internal storage can fill up quickly. Both drones can shoot vertical video for social media, but the Flip's higher resolution at 2.7K gives it an edge. If you're serious about creating professional-looking videos, the Flip's superior camera and features make it the obvious choice. Now let's talk about pricing and value. The DJI Neo starts at an enticing $199, making it a budget-friendly option for beginners. But this price doesn't include a controller, which is sold separately or bundled with additional accessories at a higher cost. In comparison, the DJI Flip starts at $439 and offers a much more comprehensive package, with optional bundles that include high-quality controllers, extra batteries, and more. While the Neo's affordability is its standout feature, the Flip's superior performance and versatility justify its higher price tag for anyone serious about their drone experience. If you're just starting out and want to keep costs low, the Neo is a fantastic entry point. But for those looking to invest in a more capable and long-term solution, the Flip offers far better value overall. As for my final verdict, the DJI Flip is a top-tier drone that checks a lot of boxes. It's perfect for content creators, advanced flyers, and anyone who wants a robust, capable drone for versatile use. But the DJI Neo is a delightful entry-level option that delivers a ton of fun, especially with its FPV mode. If you're new to drones or want a simple and budget-friendly pick, the Neo is a solid choice. But for most people, the Flip's superior features and performance make it the better buy. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which drone fits your style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech comparisons.